Marcelo Erazo. These activities for the core the material design for face-to-face environment. In this moment, I talk about um, and tradition of my town. His name is El Peñol in Nariño. Religious customs. In the municipality of El Peñol, our religious custom is most of the people are Catholic, and the rest of the inhabitants profess different religions. We celebrate Holy Week in April with religious mass among other events. Patronal fetes. On the month of August, we celebrate the patron saint festivities in honor of San Isidro. It is a week of celebration where there are sporting, artistic, and religious events, where people from the other towns and cities visit. A custom of the us Peñolenses is that on weekends we go to the recreational center. Exists the town, a very beautiful place where are three swimming pools, areas and children's games where you can spend moments with the family. Carnivals in my town. In the month of January, we celebrate carnivals. They are held from January 3 to January 6. On those days, we enjoy the color of the region, white parades of the different motifs in fruits and shrubs in the region. In addition to that, we enjoy of artistic and the different musical groups that make those days unforgettable.